Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Suzuki Vitara, stock reference number 5479. The shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 7th month 2012. It has a F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual 4-drive transmission. F9 QB 1.9 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, bonnet appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has 3 small dents, right front door has 4 small dents, right guard has no damage, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, manual type center console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated control, single stack CD player, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.